Over the past 8 years, ridership on the MBTA commuter rail has grown more than 35%, but the state's transportation network hasn't kept up with demand. Lack of parking, packed train cars, and disruptive maintenance push commuters back into personal automobiles, which pollute the air and release harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Today, Greater Boston commuters spend an average of 53 minutes on the road each direction. A 2019 report by Mass DOT shows that Route 9, the Mass Pike, and the I-93 are consistently among the most congested corridors in the state, with severe traffic for as much as 12 hours a day. But it doesn't need to be this way. By investing in industry-leading battery electric bus transit, we can create an efficient, affordable, and sustainable transit alternative to shorten commute times and reduce our state's carbon footprint. Our proposal takes the same electric buses currently in circulation around Boston and deploys them as express commuter shuttles twice a day, 5 days a week. These buses are 5 times as efficient as traditional diesel buses and cost 41% less to operate. And that's not to mention that a single commuter bus can save over 250 metric tons of CO2 emissions per year. Under our plan, riders pay 46% less than on the commuter rail, and each route pays for itself, including the cost of a new bus, in just 4 years. Less cost to riders and no cost to taxpayers across the state. And with new vehicle-to-grid technology, these buses will help the power grid transition to renewable energy faster by temporarily storing excess solar and wind electricity. Today, the limiting factor facing renewable energy is not how to generate it, but how to store it. V2G technology allows bus batteries to store excess energy from the grid during off-peak hours and sell it back at night when demand is higher. Our research shows that express commuter buses can lower costs by as much as 9% through V2G, which we can turn around to riders in the form of even lower fares. Electric bus transit also gives us the benefit of flexibility. Since buses don't require heavy infrastructure like the commuter rail, transit routes can adapt year to year based on the needs of the local population. By engaging with local communities, the state can update transit routes each year to prioritize populations with the greatest need for commuter transit, including historically marginalized groups, working families, low-income neighborhoods, and areas affected by pollution. As Greater Boston returns to work, demand for commuter transit will only increase. Investing in electric bus transit is the smart, safe, and sustainable step forward.